Dude, the paper towels are right in the door. Yo, let's go.
Yeah, we have to just make sure this Honda's good.
I mean, dude, all I need is oil and I'm good.
The Honda ain't good.
It's kind of bad now because now I don't have any reserves, so if some shit happens, I'm kind of fucked. Here.
Oh, wait, you need a call, Antonio?
That's nice you could do that.
Huh?
That's nice you could do that. Like, you just let me know?
Yeah. Like, because your car is loud. So, like, I can just go.
Yeah. I get it.
What the fuck? Not even on the stick.
Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh, you need more oil. Dude.
Oh, shit, dude.
I just put 1.5 quarts in there.
What the fuck?
Look. Because then the vehicles will be like, you're lying. You already know fucking YouTube.
Bro, and all I did was put half a quart and I got home. Holy shit. Alright, so, you know what? Well, where the hell should I? In here?
Sell them.
Yeah, but it's kind of a...
Well, we just put around like
I mean, I got
4 quarts in it, so we don't hit around 1 quart in this piece of shit, but we're ready.
That we are.
Road trip.
Clownmobile is ready.
Yo, that shit got so many people like coming after me. Like, they were like, bro, that clown is sick! I don't think so. What the fuck? I guess I'm leaving it on there.
Told you it's cool.
I didn't take the fuck out of here.
There's not a problem for VTEC.
damn it.
Shit, we just stalled.
Oh my god, what the fuck, yo?
It's really just a clutch, man. It's not really.
It's on the road, man. Be safe, be simple.
He could compete with a car like this. This is a piece of shit, but I built it, you know what I mean? Unless it's the clutch.
Turn it on. What?
I don't want to turn it on, man.
I need to hear it. I need to rev it a little bit. I need to hear if it's the head.
The head, it went all the way up to fucking hot.
Why didn't you see it?
No, it just did that. It wasn't doing that before.
Hey.
I just checked it. I was looking at it the entire time.
Is it just
That's rod knock.
That's rod.
That's rod knock, bro.
That's a rod. There's 3 cars on the fucking channel been blown by rod. What's gonna happen?
So I guess you're hopping in with me now?
The fuck we doing?
No, I know what happened. Roll down your window. So it's starting to burn more oil because the oil ring started to go bad, and then more and more oil started to burn and burn and burn. And then
That's why I was going through fucking 2-3
that's what happened to Luke's car. It started to burn oil and oil, and then all of a sudden rod just blew up the motor. My oil and oil fucking blew out the rod. Same thing happened here. But you're still good. The rod has not come out yet. This is still fixable.
Not about if it's fixable. How the fuck am I getting home?